Hello, today we will guide you through how to export a Claude AI conversation. If you want to save a copy of your Claude conversation history for your records, backup purposes, or personal review, the export option makes that process straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through where to find the setting and what to expect after you request your data export. Begin by opening Claude in your browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account, since the export will be tied to the account you're currently using. After you're on the main Claude screen, look to the bottom left area of the interface and click on your profile. This opens the account menu where you can access additional options related to your workspace and personal settings. From that menu, click Settings. This is where Claude stores account controls and preferences, including privacy-related tools. If you don't immediately see the section you need, don't worry. Everything for this process is grouped inside the Settings area. Next, click on Privacy. This section contains the options related to your data and how it's managed. Since exporting a conversation is considered a data action, this is the correct place to continue. Within the Privacy section, find and click Export Data. This option is used to request a downloadable copy of your Claude data. Depending on the interface version, the button may appear within a data privacy controls area. So take a moment to scan the page if needed. After selecting Export Data, click Export, and then complete the additional confirmation to proceed with the export. That extra confirmation is there to make sure the request is intentional, since this action prepares a file containing your account data. Once the export request has been submitted, Claude will begin preparing your data. This usually doesn't download instantly, so it's normal if nothing appears right away. Instead, after the export is ready, you will receive an email with a link or instructions to download the exported data. When that email arrives, open it and follow the download instructions provided. If you don't see the message right away, it may help to check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well. And that's it. You've successfully requested an export of your Claude conversation data through the privacy settings. Following these steps gives you a secure way to keep a copy of your information for future reference.